Welcome friends once again to my video tutorials, my vlog. So in last video I shown you how to install WordPress on cPanel, that our hosting server, and now I will show you how to configure SSL certificate for WordPress website or any other website using cPanel. So right now you can see this website is not secured. Okay, let me refresh this page. So you can see this is not secured. So now we will go to our cPanel. Here what we will do is we will find SSL. Yeah, here we will go to SSL TLS. Now first we will create private key, then we sign certificate, and then we install certificate by to our domain. So here we will generate a private key. Do not change key size, and in description, if you are maintaining multiple domains on single hosting server, you need to write description to differentiate between various keys. That what I am doing. Key for anup@rathod.com. So right now I will click on generate and the key will generate, and I will go back to SSL page. Now the second step is generate SSL certificate signing request. I will click on that and I will select this key that I have created right now. Okay, here I will add my domain, which will be my wildcard domain. For wildcard you need to you need to write star at the start and then dot and then your domain name. So this will support all subdomains, include www and everything. And now I will fill in my personal details. So friends, I have filled in my personal details. So after filling up all the details, I will click on the generate button here. So my certificate is generated. Now I will go back to SSL. Yeah. Now our third step will be certificates. Now we actually created the private key. Now we submitted signing request. Now we create one certificate. So for that we will scroll down to generate new certificate and we select the key that we have created, and we again fill in the whole form with the wildcard domain. Now I will fill in my personal details and click on submit. So friends, I have filled in my personal details. Now we will click on generate. So our certificate is generated and we again go back to SSL manager. Yeah, now the final step will be manage SSL sites. Now we will click on this and we add our website using this certificate. So right now I am having only one website using SSL. Now I will add this one too. So for that I will select my domain, autofill by domain. Oh, so what's the issue? We need to click on browse certificates that we just created in last step. So I will select this certificate and use. So it's so now what we will do is we install the certificate. certificate is installing for our website. It may take a couple of minutes, so we will wait. So now it's written that these domains are now SSL configured. We click OK and go and check. So our certificate is now installed, but there is one issue, which is, as you can see, anuprathod.com, Anup Rathod, this they are red. So what we will do is, now once it's done, we will go to our cPanel again and scroll down and go to SSL TLS status. Here, see, it's excluded from the SSL. So what we will do is, here we will run auto SSL to include this in SSL, and we'll wait. With this self signed will convert to signed let's encrypt signed certificate. The process will take 1 or 2 minutes hardly, and once the process is complete, the certificate is converted from self-signed to let's encrypt certificate. So the process is complete, and as we can see, this all thing is converted to green instead of red. Now we can go back to SSL page and we can check our domain here, and then manage sites. Yeah, see, everything is now green. And certificate details, when I click on certificate details, these are the details of my certificate. So its issuer is let's encrypt. So this is the process by which you can install SSL certificate to your website. It doesn't mean to WordPress website only, any website, either is WordPress, Drupal, or your own deployed website by HTML or PHP or anything. So guys, that's it. Stay tuned for my next video, and please do not forget to share, like and subscribe my channel and this video. Thank you.